Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, top cover, card reader board, battery, USB board, and system board. Removal. Place the system board upside down. In the correct numerical order labeled on the heatsink, loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board. Lift the heatsink from the system board and remove. Replacement. Note, before replacing the heatsink, clean off and replace the thermal grease. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Place the heatsink into position on the system board. In the correct numerical order, tighten the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board.